Hi, my name is Bethany, and I'm a teacher of students with autism. The online tool that I'm going to be talking about is the online stopwatch. This is a free resource that you can use as a timer or a stopwatch in your classroom. The one that I think I will be using the most is probably the countdown timer. It's a visual timer that you can set for any amount of time, and all you have to do is press start, and the timer will visually show you how it's counting down, as well as the number countdown for your students to look and understand the timer in your classroom. For me, I use visual timers for telling students how long their break is, how long we're working, how long till lunch. So I think this is something that I can definitely use in my classroom very often. To be more festive, they offer different types of timers, which I think is fun as well. So they have different classroom type timers, holiday timers, random name pickers. Overall, this free online tool could be very beneficial in my classroom. I think overall, I will definitely use this visual timer the most for my students with autism, but I could see myself getting festive, talking about dates. They have different countdown timers for different holidays and stuff. That would be fun, and just different visuals for my students that might be motivated a little more by something different. So overall, I think this is a wonderful tool that I will definitely be using in my classroom, just to help with organization and showing my students, how to work with time. Thank you.